All right, greetings, and today we are going to look at requests. Okay, so when we head over to a browser, so we're in our browser, right? Want to head over to this website. Okay, we want to head over to the website. Want to go play a game, Blackjack, RunCodeNinja.com. Right, when we head there, right? This is our website. In order to do this in Python, this is what we do, right? We say our URL. We say our URL. And then we say website equals request.get, and then we print out the website text. Okay. And what that does is that we basically go to the website here. As you can see, we go ahead and we get our HTML. If everyone remembers that website that we went to, right? It's all that styling. But this is what it is under the hood. If we go into our developer tools, right, we could see that it is very big, a lot of data in there, a lot of data in there, a lot of data ready to go. And right, we go from there. Right, a lot of data in here. Right, so, and that's our that's a GET request, right? And basically there's two types of requests I want to talk about: GET requests and post requests. Everyone think Family Feud, right? Where everyone think Family Feud, where server says, right? So if you have to answer the question a certain way, right? Two parts, right? There's the get, and then there's URL. That's, if you want to go to a website, you do this. This is all you need. Now, say for example, you're playing the game. Okay, you're playing the game, right? And the website changes, but you see you don't go to a new website. You're still making a request, but instead of a get request, you're making a post request, right? So you're sending data. The data you send to the server is stay. I click the button stay. So instead of getting a website back, you get data back, which the website uses its own Python in order to render these pictures. If anyone remember the turtle, right? The website uses something like the turtle in order to render these pictures, right? But before that, we get post data. So if we head over to our network tab, we can see that as we click, where we get all these post requests, right? We're getting request, after request, right? We're getting these requests, and they are coming in as post request as we go here, as you go along here. So now, and sooner or later, we get a flag. So as you can see here, right, there's data, right? We say our choice is spades, I say our choice is hit, right? If you want to go ahead and make a post request, right? As we're playing the game, what's happening is that we're sending data to the server, right? Just like sockets, right? Client says data for website, and the server says something back in info.txt, right? And this is what the server said. So we go ahead and make a post back to a different URL, right? Which receives a post request, because not all URLs take the get request. Sometimes you have to change the URL to get a post request, right? We make a post request and we make our data equal to dictionary, right? When we send data, we usually want them to come in as dictionaries, right? We send that data, and then we get a response back from the server, and we want to see it, right? It's not a full website anymore that we saw in the first. It's actually a dictionary back, right, that we can use as well, right? So what I want you to do is I want you to go to your favorite website. I want you to go to your website, 5 different websites. I want you to be able to get to the website with that long HTML we were talking about earlier, make a request to go ahead and get it, and then try to send data to it and see what you get back. And then you try to change the URL up a bit, or you could go into the networks tab and to see the exact URL that the website needs from you. All right, so in this case, right, bjp.pht, right? So as you can see here, if you zoom in a bit, right, the URL is j.php. So if you go to another website and click a button, right? See in a network, right? What that button is, it's going to take a while. So just Stack Overflow. Let's see what that button is. This is a lot, but that's okay. Right? See what that button is and see if you could take out the post request. Right? And is this a post request? Right. This is a post request. Okay. And then send a post request there and send it some data and see what you get back. Do that 5 times and then we'll be ready to move on to the next lesson.